Hi folks, this is Paul with Adventus. Today I am wearing my favorite t-shirt, my What a Dad t-shirt. It's pretty good. The topic we're going to talk about is data accuracy. So if you don't know, Adventus provides property data for insurance agencies to streamline the quoting process for residential and commercial properties. And one of the things that we get asked a lot is, how do I know that the data is accurate? And this is a really good question, because just because the data came from a data vendor doesn't necessarily mean it is accurate or up to date. A lot of times something may have happened to that property after the data was recorded, so the information is not up to date. How do we solve for this? How do we handle this at Adventus? I want to give you a really good example with this home here. As you can see, this home is here in Greenville, South Carolina, and it was built in 2023. Now, the way that Adventus works is we don't just regurgitate the data we give you. We actually have a layer of AI between the data we get and you, meaning that we can reason and kind of make some inferences based off of what we're seeing. So what you can see here is it actually says, hey, we're getting all this data from these vendors that is saying it was built in 1950. However, we have all these other listing sites from AI web search that are telling us that it was built in 2023. And then, because we have permits, we can see in 2013, the property that was built in 1950 was actually demolished, meaning that in 2023, this was when this new home was actually built. And you can see, look at the photo here. This is a pretty brand new looking home, and this makes sense of the data. So this is one of the ways in which Adventus uses AI to improve data quality so that you can have more confidence submitting applications to insurance carriers using up-to-date information. If you're interested in Adventus, or if you're really curious about trying to improve your process for quoting residential commercial properties, happy to talk with you. Go to adventusai.com or hit me up on LinkedIn. My name is Paul Drake. Thank you so much and have a great day.